Hey everyone, it's Jim and Senior with Los Primanos Barbecue Rubs, and we're down here at the Waxahachie Farmers Market because we wanted to remind you that we are here every Saturday from 8 to 1 where you can come and pick up some of our awesome rubs. Now, so far this season, we've seen lots of great clients come through. We have lots of people that have really given us some great feedback on all of our rubs. We really appreciate all the support we've had so far. Now, we know that this weekend coming up is 4th of July weekend, and we've seen several people post pictures in our VIP group on Facebook of all the foods that they've cooked with our rubs, and we really love that. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a contest on. We want to see more pictures of what you've cooked with our rubs, and please include your 4th of July theme or your family or whatever. Make sure the rubs are in the picture as well. We want to remind everyone that these rubs aren't just for barbecue and grilling. We can use them on the inside cooking as well. I've used them for lots of things inside the house. So show us some variety. Show us what you've got out there. If you post a picture and tag 3 friends, what we're going to do is we're going to put you in a drawing to win a set of these awesome mason jars from our great friends at Port Swing Iced Tea. This will get you half-price tea or lemonade at Port Swing Iced Tea. And if you haven't had their iced tea, trust me, it's amazing. You're going to want it. These are brand new jars. We're going to give you a set to the winner. Let's see those pictures and have a great 4th of July.